Hi everyone, welcome to Free Range Diva. We have out-of-town family members coming to visit at the end of the month. So for the last few days I have been in guest preparation mode. I've been scrubbing tile, decluttering, mopping, and this morning I repaired the drywall in the guest bathroom. I skim coated, sanded, and painted. And it looks great, provided you don't get too close, because I didn't have enough drywall mud to repair the wall up to my usual standards. But now I'm tired and I am ready to pamper myself with an at-home spa treatment. So I thought I'd bring you along on my afternoon at-home spa day. Let's go. The first thing I want to do is clean my face with this Biossance Squalane cleanser on a facial cleansing brush. I like this cleanser a lot. It cleans well and leaves my skin soft and hydrated. Then I'm putting on a deep pore cleaning pink clay mask. This one's from One Kind. I'll leave it on while I'm doing the next step, which is dry brushing. I love this EcoTools brush. It fits perfectly in my hand and has bristles that are firm enough but not too stiff. I use the dry brushing technique for lymphatic drainage from Cancer Rehab PT, and I'll link her video so you can check it out. Basically, you're stimulating surface lymph nodes and moving fluid towards the large clusters of nodes in the groin, the armpit, and at the base of the neck. I don't spend more than, say, 5 minutes doing this, and afterwards my skin is tingling and it feels very alive, for lack of a better word. To finish the job of exfoliating, I'm using this exfoliating shower mitt, also from EcoTools. This removes any dead skin cells that the dry brushing dislodged and leaves my skin feeling soft and clean. I use a bar soap and it makes a lovely lather that feels very pampering to the skin. After your shower, it's important to moisturize your skin. Sometimes I use an oil like this one from Desert Essence, or a lotion like the Sea Buckthorn from Wallada. Today I used both to take the pampering up a notch and leave my skin feeling like silk. For my face, I'm using the Skin Diva Peptide Serum, a longtime favorite. Also using the last of the firming cream from City Beauty, and then the Quince Day Cream from Dr. Hauschka. This Quince cream is very light, but it keeps my skin moisturized all day. To round out the spa experience, I need a fragrance, and I chose this Floriental Almond from Dossier. This is inspired by Good Girl from Carolina Herrera, and with notes of almond, peach, orange blossom, tuberose, vanilla, and cocoa, this is a sexy, warming fragrance that reminds me of those vanilla cocoa fragrances that were so popular in the early 2000s. Except this is fresher and more interesting. It's more complex. Dossier's fragrances are high quality at a fraction of the price of designer fragrances. This one leaves you feeling like the antithesis of a good girl. For more about Dossier, check out the description box below. Now there's one more thing that needs my attention, and I have been looking forward to this all day. It's my feet, and I'm going to give myself a relaxing foot soak. I'm using Epsom salts to help me get a good night's sleep, a few drops of peppermint essential oil, and I'll throw in some rose petals to enhance the spa experience. Then The massage. Oh, the massage. After a good soak, I'm using a homemade scrub to remove any dead skin. It's sea salt, sunflower oil, and more peppermint essential oil. The peppermint here is so refreshing for tired feet, and that massager is, well, it's coma-inducing. The final step is to apply a moisturizing foot cream and put on some soft, comfy socks. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my spa day and that I gave you some ideas of ways you can treat yourself to a spa day at your home. Thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you'd like, and I will see you again really, really soon. Bye!